All right, getting into a good one here today. We have the Confounded Machine bolt pen. This one comes from the batch in August of 2025. This is serial number 0890. And what it is a highly desirable ISOgrip in the black, and it's nicknamed Vader. So, very good looking pen here. If you look back a few videos ago, I reviewed probably my favorite aesthetically pleasing looking ISOgrip, and that was the green. And I'll drop a picture of it right here. This is a another long list of me trying to fall in love with a confounded machine. I did find a beautiful, older, longer Energel size ringed grip that's right now getting some refinishing and new anode done to it. This pen, though, is, I don't know, just doesn't do it for me. The dark doesn't pop. The milling inside the little triangles is not nearly as visible, or really at all. Inside the green one, there was tiny little triangles inside each triangle. Here, I do not see any. But let's get some of the specifications out of the way. Haven't done any preparation on it, just opened it up now. We have, again, Vader Confounded Machine ISOgrip Black. The length of this pen should be pretty consistent with all other models that have been released recently, which is 5 1/4, 5 to 5. Weight, $30 even, putting it right towards the higher end on the weight that I prefer, especially for any writing that's going to maybe take 15 minutes or longer. Then we're going to start to see, for me personally, a degradation in the penmanship on a pen that is starting to exceed 23 to 25 grams. And that may improve with time as I get more writing endurance. Now the green ISO was definitely smoother. Having a little issue here where this bolt is, either there's an issue with the spring. There's this little bit of play here. Not sure what that's all about. Again, when I opened the pen just now, that was the first time giving it a shot. So I have to do a little investigating here. This is the Easy Flow 9000, not a preferable refill for me. May try to switch that out. All right, let's see what else we might be able to fish out here that would be preferable. I have a Jetstream 38. I have an Odo needlepoint, Caco 0.5. Let's see if any of these fit the bill. Start with the Jetstream since I do prefer Jetstream. Oh, that's much better. Very snappy, no play. All right, let's take a look at the diameter. .75. Thoughts on the fit and finish. Again, it's an amazing piece of machined pen. It's a great item, but you have to personally enjoy using these tools. And I do enjoy using some more than others. It is understated. It is pretty cool. And maybe that goes with the Vader theme. When I look to compare it to the V1 Bolty, I mean, this is just, I got a shorter throw and a little bit more of a reverse J compared to the L Bolt. And that does seem to make a tremendous amount of difference in actuation, especially for me. I've always said that these seem to be more geared for a lefty, but that's really working really well right now. So fit and finish, I would say, is excellent. It's a 10 out of a 10. Is it for me? I don't know. Let's take a look at tip wiggle. There is no tip wiggle. 0 wiggle. And that's with a Jetstream 38. And we compare it to the OG Bolty. And to me, there's no comparison. This is just, this is probably one of the best pens I've ever handled in my life. Absolutely love this pen. Really have zero critiques on this one. But I did have the green. I originally had the black, traded it for the green. Then used the green to get the OG Bolty that I just showed. And now back to having a black. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it ends up. But I really do like these pens. I haven't fell in love with them yet. But maybe this one's a keeper. We'll put it through its paces over the next week or so. And we'll see how it falls out. All right. Have a good one.